Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, are you ready to start training with Runna? So here's how to actually create your account and get started. So first thing first, basically all we're gonna do is open your device, make sure you're fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go all the way to your app store, Play Store. So we can look for the app itself, Runna for example, Runna Running, Plans and Coach. Make sure you download it from here, like App Store or Google Play, depending on your operating system. As I said, open the app, then go all the way and look for sign up or get started. Then you can use sign up with email, Apple, or even Google account. After this, Runna will ask you your running experience level, your goal race or distance, is it like 5k, 10k, half marathon, or even the full marathon, and also how many days per week you want to train. This personalizes your plan automatically. There is also some type of free trial available. Since Runna offers a free trial, you can use some type of codes for 2 free weeks if available. After that, it is mostly a monthly or yearly subscription. So keep in mind that you will be having all of these details, all of these basically benefits. Connect all your devices and get live coaching on the go, hosted holistic support from strength training to injury management, personalized training plan just for you. All of this by just signing up or getting started. And that's the main idea here. That's basically the Runna app. So thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.